Hi, I'm Louise Ward, and in this short video I want to give you a clear science-based understanding of what hypnotherapy really is, how it works, what it feels like and what to expect during a session. We'll also clear up a few common myths along the way. So what is hypnotherapy? Hypnotherapy is a scientifically recognised therapeutic approach that uses hypnosis. It's important to recognise that hypnosis is a natural state of focused attention, belief and imagination. It helps us to make positive changes in thoughts, emotions or behaviours because it facilitates brain plasticity, which is your brain's neural wiring that becomes our learned responses to internal and external stimuli. Despite what you may have seen or read, hypnosis is not a sleep state, it's not unconsciousness or mind control. Most people remain aware of everything happening during hypnosis. Hypnosis increases your ability to respond to positive suggestions made by the hypnotherapist, tailored to your needs and your goals by promoting deep relaxation and concentration. This allows your mind to rehearse healthier responses and embed new neural pathways that support your goals, whether that be reducing negative self-talk, swapping old habits for new ones, building resilience to anxiety and so forth. So what does hypnosis feel like? People often describe hypnosis as a feeling similar to daydreaming or being absorbed in a film or a book. You may feel calm and focused or pleasantly detached. Some people respond better to hypnosis than others, but most people can experience hypnosis to some degree. It's a learnable skill that tends to improve with practice. You remain in control at all times and can choose to accept or reject any suggestion. Here's what typically happens in a hypnotherapy session. So we begin with the induction, which is a gentle technique like focused breathing or guided relaxation to help you enter a calm, attentive state. Remember, this is all about attention and focus. Then we move into deepening using imagery, counting or sensory focus to increase relaxation and concentration. And then comes the therapeutic work. So once you're fully focused, we'll use positive suggestions, visualization or imagination and cognitive reframing to reduce anxiety, build confidence or say like manage pain. After that comes ego strengthening or post-hypnotic suggestions, and these are positive ideas that continue to support you long after the session ends. Finally, we move into emergence, where you're guided gently back to your usual state of awareness, often feeling refreshed and deeply relaxed and super confident about attaining your goals. Now let's talk about some of the common myths around hypnosis. So first, you can't be made to do anything against your will. That's TV talk. You're not handing over control or anything. This is all just about focusing on learning. You're also not asleep or unconscious during this. Most people are just completely aware. You can't get stuck in hypnosis. You can literally open your eyes at any time you need to. And finally, stage hypnosis, the kind that you might see on TV, is just for entertainment. It's designed to look dramatic, but it's very, very different to the kind of clinical hypnotherapy used in a professional setting. Modern hypnotherapy is evidence-based and supported by decades of scientific research. It's recognised by the British Medical Association, the American Medical Association, and acknowledged by the American Psychological Association and NICE here in the UK. Research shows that hypnotherapy can be effective for anxiety, stress management, pain control, sleep problems, psychosomatic or stress-related conditions, and smoking cessation and habit change. For some issues, studies suggest that between 4 and 6 sessions are typical for lasting results. It also works beautifully alongside cognitive behavioural therapy, enhancing the benefits of both approaches. Hypnotherapy is a collaborative, goal-directed process that helps you assess your own natural ability for focus, imagination and healing. By calming the body, engaging the mind and reinforcing positive beliefs, you can develop greater confidence, resilience and emotional well-being. It's about using the power of your own mind, guided in a safe professional way, to create meaningful and lasting change. If you'd like to explore more, I've added key references in the video description. I hope this has given you a clearer and more realistic understanding of what hypnotherapy is. And if you'd like to explore how it might support you personally, you can email me at info@louiseward.co.uk or visit my website louiseward.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and remember, your mind is more capable of positive change than you might think.